Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to give you a tutorial how to submitting IP version 4. Okay. IP class C. Okay. So I will explain about subnetting first. So subnetting is the process of dividing network into several subnetworks. The purpose of this subnet is to streamline traffic on a particular network. In HIP subnet range there are three. The first is IP network. For the first IP, that IP host, that IP that can be used by client, and that is IP broadcast is the last IP. Maybe many of you, most of you are confused about how to calculate IP subnet, how to define the network into several subnetworks. So this time I will discuss it. Writing the IP address is generally with for the explanation is 192.168.1 and point 2. But sometimes it is written as uh, yeah, but the indoors there's slash 44. But what does it mean? The slash 24. This means that the IP address is uh, 192 and 168 1.2 with a subnet mask of 155 155 155.0. So how come it can be like that? Yes. Slash 24 is taken address is 192, 168, 1.2 with subnet mask of is taken from the calculation that the 24-bit subnet mask is equals in binary one, or the other words, the subnet mask is 1 1 and 0 0 0 0. So, format I can address the processor is uh, for the what, three block in there. This is what network address, and the last block is for the host. Okay, for the host, for the what, address of host. So, the example is so there's IP private C class. This is a subnet mask and notation and total host. So if you use the slash 24, the host is 256, and if you use the 25, and the total host is 128. If you use 26, you have house is 40, 64, and the slash 27, you get 32, and 28, you get 16, and for 29, have 8, and for 30, you have 4, and 31, you have 2, and the slash 32 is you have 1. So, first, we will look for the we will look for the IP network first. So how to avoid network is the result of slash edit to the result slash until it gets close to the number after 20 above, like 8. We add up to 8 until the result is close to 110, and the result means 208 and 8. So the IP network is uh, IP network is uh, 106 LNU, point 168, point 20, and point 20 and 8, 208. So again, we look for the broadcast IP for the last IP. The way to calculate broadcast is by adding the network result, the IP network result, here 108 with the result of the slash, like 108 plus 8, and and then and 216, 116. But every time we find, but every time we find a broadcast result must be reduced by one. So the 116 to 115. So the last is ways to become an IP host or client. There are two IP hosts. The first is the initial host. Only the IP host after the IP network. The first host, okay, is added by one to 109. Uh, if you want to know the IP host or client, is so easy. But the key is you must know the IP network and IP broadcast. And if you want to find the first IP host, you just add the IP network one. Okay, and if you want to know for the IP broadcast, you just mean the result of the IP broadcast one. So the IP broadcast is 114. Okay, maybe that's all for me for explanation about subnetting 84. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.